Today is Friday, May 17th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fuel-injected variant sending unit. This is from my friend Larry in Crystal River. And the unit has been completely restored with a brand new sending unit and pump. And this is replacing Larry's original unit, which is badly decomposed and not functioning and was wired backwards and had other deficiencies as well. So I'm going to go ahead and complete the assembly and do a functional validation test under power and fluid here shortly. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, May 17th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.